Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will see how to uninstall Node.js from your machine. Now let's start with video. First, we have to open command prompt. Within search box, just type cmd and select command prompt. So here first we'll check what version I am having on my machine for Node.js. For that I will type the command node space hyphen hyphen version and just press enter button. Now it is showing the version available on my machine. Now we'll check for npm also. So npm space hyphen hyphen version and just press enter. Now it is showing npm version available on my machine. Now I want to uninstall this. So what we will do, here just select the Windows icon. From this we have to select option settings. So you can search here for settings, and again settings I want apps. So this is setting, and here in search box I will type apps. So it is showing apps option. Again within this we have to select installed apps. So it will show the list of applications available on your machine. So I want to uninstall Node.js. So I will type Node. So here it is showing Node.js available on my machine. So what we will do, here if you see three dots are there. So just you have to select this. You have to click on this. Here you will get two options, modify and uninstall. Now I want to uninstall Node.js. So I will select uninstall option. It is showing message this app and its related information will be uninstalled. I want to uninstall everything. So just I want to uninstall it. So just I will select uninstall. So it is uninstalled. So once again, we will open the command prompt to check whether it is uninstalled successfully or not. So once again, I will type the command node space hyphen hyphen version and just press enter. Already showing node is not recognized as internal or external command. Means node.js is deleted. As well as I will check npm space hyphen hyphen version and just press enter. For npm also it is same message, as npm is not recognized as the internal and external command. It means that we have uninstalled Node.js successfully. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.